Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to another motivational video here on Sincerely Shamsa. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shamsa and I'm a mom of 5. Here on my channel, I like to upload videos on cleaning motivation, motherhood, lifestyle vlogs. So if you're into those type of contents, then I would love to have you. So please consider clicking on that subscribe button and be sure to turn on your post notification. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and showing your support. Please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. So y'all, on this particular day, I was going through it. Like, I had it up to here with my kids, making a mess and not cleaning after themselves. I was basically angry cleaning, if that's a word. I was angry cleaning. Like, I told all of them to get out of my house, go to the backyard, just leave me alone. I don't want to see nobody. Like, nobody. Even the baby had to go out. My kids will sometimes literally get on your nerves, y'all. Like, I have been telling them to pick up those toys that my toddler was playing with and put them away. Um, I unfortunately bought her some Lego blocks for Eid as a gift. And those Lego blocks have been like everywhere. Like they're just everywhere. And I happened to step on one of them and almost broke my back. So that's what ticked me off. I was like, how many times I had to tell you guys to pick this up and it's still sitting here. So I was just so mad. Had to send them all out. So y'all, my sister came over to visit us for the last couple of days of Ramadan. She stayed with us till Eid. Alhamdulillah, we had a great time. She brought her kids with her and we really enjoyed them. Alhamdulillah, we had a really good time. Like, I haven't seen my sister in a long time and I really needed that sisterly bond. Like, like I'm the oldest, so she's like the second one, and we always connected with each other. We always like, it's just a whole different vibe when we're together. So alhamdulillah, we had a good time and the kids really enjoyed having each other over, like their cousins over and stuff. They really enjoyed each other. But y'all, the house is something else. Like the kids, I just let them be free. The windows, with their handprints and everything, and everything, and also the couch cover, I had to take it off because someone happened to spill something on it. Even my rug needs to be cleaned, like actually like washed instead of just like being like vacuumed and stuff. I'm planning on doing that over like the summer when the weather like kind of like warms up, like we're in the 90s and something like that, because that's a perfect time to wash the rug and just let it sit outside. As you guys can see, my daughter decided to take a pen and color, what is it called? That little area by the window. I think it's called a base. It's not a baseboard, but I don't know what's called. But anyway, she decided to color around here. She even did some a little artwork on the walls too. And I need to get me a Mr. Clean Up Magic Eraser because that's the only thing that will get these things off. So guys, I'm also going to be taking down some of the stuff that I put up as my Eid decorations. I didn't put up like much stuff for Eid. It's just a couple of things here and there. I am gonna be reusing these stuff, inshallah. Hope inshallah for next Eid or next Ramadan. I'm not intending on buying new things. I'm just gonna be reusing the stuff that I have now. So I'm gonna be putting them later on. You guys will see it. I'm gonna be putting them in a bag and storing them away because things are getting expensive, y'all. Guys, this vacuum right here, I think I had it for like 2 years or something like that. And unfortunately, the wheel thing under, where the suction and everything is at, that broke. And it is not doing its job like it used to do, picking up everything. And the vacuum is a little heavy, so whenever like I'm vacuuming on the rug, it kind of like puts on more weight and stuff, so it's really hard. And it's just since the wheel is broken, it makes it more difficult to vacuum. So I am in the market for a new vacuum once again. So if y'all have any recommendations of good vacuum with good suction, and I need like something that can like that has a long what is it called, a long, extension, like for like, reaching places, the little tube thing that like for cleaning, whenever you attach the brush and stuff. I need a vacuum like that. So if y'all have something that's cheap, it gotta be cheap, okay, y'all? It gotta be cheap because I don't got that type of money. So if y'all have something like a name, a brand or something that you guys would recommend that's gonna last me a long time, please leave it in the comment section. So y'all see me put away my Eid stuff, alhamdulillah. Now I'm moving on to the dining area. And of course, I'm going to be putting away my cloth table cover because I can't trust my kids. Like, they be making mess, dropping things. They're just clumsy. And before y'all come for me, I know they're just kids. And I should tell them to pick up after themselves. I do that. It's just my kids are just so hard-headed sometimes. So I'm going to be putting away all of my good stuff because the other day one of them broke my vase. So, yeah. All right, y'all. Next up, we're moving on to the kitchen area, which is always looks like a tornado ran through it or something like that. So we're gonna get it back in order. For the soap dispensing thingy over there next to the faucet, that thing ran out of soap. And mind you guys, I had like a big jug of dish soap under the sink. I just had to refill it, but I just won't do that. Like, that's one of my bad habits. It's just I always depend on my husband to do that. It's just I hate putting soap into the soap dispenser under the sink. Like, it's just I don't know. I just don't like doing that. I always just wait for my husband to do it. And he'd be like, why don't you just do it? Like, you're the one that's always in the kitchen, that's cleaning and all this stuff. Why don't you just do it? I'm just like, I don't know. So one of my subscribers left me a comment under one of my cleaning videos, and they were saying that for Lysol multi-surface spray to actually disinfect and kill bacteria, it has to be on the surface for like 5 minutes. So that's what I've been doing throughout this whole video. It doesn't look like it that I'm doing it, but since it's all sped up and I'm chopping here and there to make it as seem like it's going fast as possible, but in real time I am spraying the surface and leaving it for like 2 to 3 minutes and then coming back and wiping it down. I actually didn't even know that you had to, like, for it to disinfect, the Lysol multi-surface spray, you have to leave it for like certain minutes for it to actually like kill the bacteria and stuff. I didn't know that. So thank you so much to the person that suggested that for me and that left me a comment in the comment section. And guys, just another thing, whenever you guys leave me a comment, I do read your comments and I try my best to reply to each and every one of you. And I learned something from you guys, just like this person that actually told me that I had to, for the disinfectant spray to work, I had to leave it on for like 5 minutes or so. So yeah, leave me a comment if you guys see me doing something wrong. We're learning from each other, so. So now we're moving on to the refrigerator, and I'm using a microfiber cloth and also my Lysol multi-surface spray. That's what I'm gonna spray first, and then later on I'm gonna go in with this stainless steel polisher. I love using this on my stainless steels, on my refrigerator, my stove area, just anything that's stainless steel. I love to use this women polisher and disinfectant. I think that's what it is. But anyways, I love using that. And guys, I love these microfiber cloths that I bought from Walmart. They are 10 times better than those regular cloths that I've been using. Like, they get the dust, they clean pretty much everything. I love it. Okay, so while I get my sink cleaned, I just like to come up here and just kind of talk with you guys. So guys, like any other YouTuber, I'm gonna come on here and beg you guys. Yes. But anyways, I just wanted to say that please be sure to share my videos with your friends and families. Not a lot of you have your notifications on. I was looking at my YouTube analytics. The majority of the people that actually watch my videos are people that are not even subscribed to my channel. So please, please, if you are seeing my video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification. And the way you can turn on your post notification is when you click on subscribe, there's going to be a bell that shows up next to that subscribe button. Be sure to click on that bell and turn it to all. So once you turn it to all, it will let you know whenever I make a community post. Let's say, for instance, like I can't post a video on a Saturday or on Tuesdays. That's my usual posting days from now on. I will let you guys know, okay, there's going to be no new video today, so I'll see you guys on so-and-so date. So please be sure to have your notifications on, and please be sure to interact with me, because whenever you guys like leave me a comment or something like that, or just simply saying hi or introducing yourself, that makes the YouTube algorithm say, oh, okay, so people are loving her videos, they're chatting with her, like they're liking it, that's gonna boost my video up. Please, guys, we have officially like made it into our monetization chapter now. Like, we are monetized, alhamdulillah. So I need your help, so please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Inshallah, I will be uploading more videos from now on, so please make sure you guys are sharing the videos. I hope today's video motivated you. If it did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and be sure to comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my other video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.